Elon Musk is making headlines again, and this time, it's not because he's launching another car into space or naming his kid after a Wi-Fi password. No, today it's about buying OpenAI, running the government, and tanking Tesla sales in Europe. Buckle up, because this is a wild one. First up, Musk tried to buy back OpenAI with a casual $100 billion offer. I mean, who hasn't tried to buy back their ex after things went south, right? But Sam Altman shut that down real quick. He reportedly called Musk's bid a joke. Which is wild because last time I checked, $100 billion is not funny. But hey, at least Musk tried. Gotta respect the hustle. Moving on, Elon Musk is now working for the government. Yep, Trump just gave him a new job, running something called the Department of Government Efficiency, which sounds a lot like a fancy way to say, you're fired. Critics are already freaking out, saying Musk is about to turn the government into a Tesla factory. Except instead of making cars, he's making employees disappear. But who knows, maybe he'll start selling flamethrowers to Congress next. And speaking of disappearing, Tesla's sales in Europe just fell off a cliff. How bad is it? Try 63% down in France and 59.5% in Germany. That's worse than trying to impress your date by saying, hey, want to see my Dogecoin wallet? Some people are blaming Musk's political drama, others say Europeans just don't want Teslas anymore. Either way, Tesla's getting ghosted harder than a bad Tinder match. So, what's next for Musk? Is he about to bounce back like a SpaceX rocket, or is he spiraling like a Tesla on autopilot? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you want to keep up with more big sexy news powered by VEX, hit that like and follow.